I don't have that much long. Okay, I don't have that much time. Okay, I need to hurry up. Okay, so this brand sent me something, so I don't know who it is from. I need to hurry up. It's almost 5 o'clock. Okay, so ow. Finger. Okay. It's a pretty wow. It's from Kiss. Alright, Kiss. Hi, Kiss. They sent me a few products, but in a big box. Okay, anyway, so yay, I'm so excited. Oh, the first thing is vitamin C serum stick. What is this? Okay, so this is for your face. What? I've never seen this product type thing before. So this is brightening and hydration, and you apply it on your face, elbow, what, knees, what? This is a body product, not just for your face. Oh, okay, I'm just shocked. I don't know what this is for. Okay, so this is to get a brighter skin tone, pretty much. So you just apply the serum stick directly at the places I just mentioned about, and then blend it with your hands, and that's it. Okay, so I'm gonna open it up now and see what it is, because I don't know. I don't know what this is. Okay, first of all, I love the packaging, the yellow, and it's just so cute and pretty. Okay, let me open it up. It's kind of like a big chapstick. You roll the tube. Oh, it smells like a little bit like cocoa butter, but vitamin. It smells very good, like your mom or grandma would wear this scent. It smells good. Like, it just smells good. But let's see how much product this has. I'm always curious. So, it has. Okay, that's all it has. Pretty nice amount. Like it's pretty thick though. So, and then I have makeup on. I don't want to swatch it on my face, but it's vitamin C, and this is made in Korea. Interesting. I don't know. Okay, so this has all of these 3 ingredients, not just vitamin C. Pretty interesting. So they even gave me a pro tip. What? This creates a barrier and boosts the benefits of your skincare products. So I'm guessing you layer this on before applying your skincare products. So I'm guessing you put this on your face, and then your lotion, face cream, or face serum, or your treatments, or whatever. I guess that's what it means. Yeah, I don't know. Forget it. I might need to Google this, know more about it, because I don't know. I don't know what this is. Okay, it's hard to keep up with every skincare product out there and the use of them, all of that. Okay. Next, makeup. So they sent me this. What is this? Ooh, yes. Precise Ink Eyeliner. Oh, this is waterproof, and this looks like the brown color version. Oh, never mind. It's in the shade Blackest Black. I thought it was gonna be brown. I don't know. Okay, so I just love eyeliner pens. It's easy to use, so easier than the eyeliner liquid pens. So if you struggle with doing your eyeliner, I suggest use pens. Okay, it's easier and it's not as liquidy, so you don't mess up or apply too much product on your eyelid. You know what I'm saying? So it's just a traditional eyeliner pen. I love it. Okay, so okay, let me open it up. Okay, interesting. So it's pretty long, skinny, and pointy. It's a good fine tip it's long. There's some brands that have them short. I think I prefer long because it takes easier strokes and faster strokes. You just go and then you're literally done. But if you're a beginner, this might be harder. Maybe get the smaller, shorter ones, right? I just love the next one. So this one looks like the next one, kinda. So I'm excited. This might be super black, super pigmented. It says Blackest black, like it's the super black, because there's some black liners that are off black, but no, there's some that are really black, and I just hope this is the one because I think this brand is affordable than NYX eyeliner pink, pretty expensive now, okay? So I hope this is a dupe for that. Okay, so the next shade they sent me is Blackest black. What? I thought it was gonna be a different shade. I guess not. So I don't need to open this one either, but this supposedly lasts all day long and it doesn't smudge. Alright, so if you don't like waterproof makeup, you're not gonna like this one. So this is mainly more for experienced makeup lovers, because it's gonna take a while to remove if you mess up if you use this, because this is waterproof. No, this one's not waterproof. This one is. No, never mind, I take that back. You see? Okay, this one's for beginners, or if you're not a beginner, you just don't like waterproof makeup. But if you're out in, I don't know, and it's raining randomly, you have eyeliner on, use this. Or for a photo shoot and it's hot or rainy and you don't want to risk it, wear this, okay? But the only thing is that it's harder to remove and you have to like tug your eye, and we don't want any wrinkles here, okay? So I try to not use waterproof eye makeup, because then I have to go like that. So that's one of the reasons why I don't wear waterproof makeup, because this is more simple, easy to remove, it's fine. But FYI, okay? So the last things, okay, are yes, eyebrow pencils. You already know I love eyebrows, natural pencil eyebrows. I don't use pomade anymore. I just like to go with a simple brush. That's it. Okay, so this is in the shade dark brown. Yes, my shade. Yay. Okay, and this one is in the shade black, which I noticed from this brand, black is my shade. It's not too intense. I'll just go like a light hand and it fits my shade perfect. But I think dark brown, I think I can still pull it off a little, you see. But I feel like black from this brand, I think is my match. But I think I already tried one of their brow products before. I like it. Okay, it's perfect, easy, natural, pigmented, soft. I love it. Okay. So I just want to see and swatch to see the color difference. You see, it's more like a crayon type. It's pretty short and stout, like it's boxy. It's not a round tip and it's not super skinny. So if you're not a beginner, it might be a little hard, but not really. It's just be a little bit more careful. Try not to go too intense. Okay, yeah, this one's too light for me, never mind. This to me looks more of a medium brown, not dark brown. That's why I go with black when it comes to Kiss. So interesting. So I'm gonna swatch the black one. So if you're a brunette like me, get the black shade, okay? Don't get the dark brown shade because it's gonna be too light, too warm, too chocolatey. Okay, let me swatch. You see, this is black. Okay, this one's my shade. Or I am in between of these, but you see this one looks more dark brown than this. Yeah, black is my shade. Okay, and obviously on the other side of the brush it comes with a mini spoolie. It's very soft and it's easier to use because I noticed some are like big and kind of smears, and it can get your brow product up here if you're not careful. Especially me, I'm always like like too much, or you're in a rush. It's better to use these small ones and fix your brows, brush it out like this, and yeah, it's just the best and affordable. I love it. I love it. Okay, now the last eyebrow pencil is in the shade brown. Okay, so let's see. This is probably super light. It's caramel brown. Okay, so let's see. Yes. Oh, it looks more darker than the dark brown to me. Right? I don't know. This is dark brown, black, and this is brown, just regular brown. So it's still too light for me. So if you're a brunette, those are all their brown shades and black shades. I don't know. Maybe they have a lighter brown shades, but interesting. So I say everyone go with black. If you're dark like me, I'm a medium dark brown. My hair is not super dark, but I still use the black, so it depends. Some people I see prefer to go lighter on their brows even though they have dark hair, so it depends, but of your choice, your preference. Okay, so yay, that's pretty much it. Thank you so much, Kiss, for sending me this. They sent me just a few products. I do recommend their brow products. What else? The other products I haven't tried. Okay, so yay, thanks so much. Can't wait to use it. Bye. Thanks so much for watching. Okay.